CMG, Chipotle Mexican Grill. I'd like to feature where Friday's breakout happened over here at $303 and how we featured it over the weekend. How we said that this rally and this name had lagged the broader market because it missed its earnings last quarter. And we already went over that. But I'm going to tell you something. We got up to my price target of $335. That was given before the opening bell. Actually went up to 337.52. You got 152 highs intraday and only 26 lows with the $15 up range. It's still a leader in the sector. That's why we featured it. And yes, it will make its highs. And yes, now that we have finally gotten to the price target level and overshot it by a couple of dollars, we'll look at what the lower pullback levels. I got these reversals, but it's been a great mover all the way up here. This CMG, and this is a 3-minute chart, and you can see here 1.3 million shares traded. It is a bellwether in its sector. However, you will have to know when to buy. They knocked it down $4. You'll have to know when to buy, and you'll have to know when to sell. And one of the calls that we featured over the weekend with our MMTs was buying these calls. They were 10 cents last Friday, and they hit $3.10. That was that $350 call. 922 monthly regular. That is making all-time highs. If it pulls back right around that dollar area, we would be another buyer and sell it again, providing that the name itself will travel on up there in the volatility that Chipotle Mexican Grill lagged all the other stocks during their 52-week highs. This one is coming off the big short that we did when it missed its earnings. And it got down there, and we're right back up here. And it's outperforming the other names. So when we look at selling short, we look at where these names are 52-week highs on the Apples and the Googles and how they got to come down. But at the same time, taking this as a pair trade, long CMG and trading the reversal highs on Google and trading intraday reversal highs here and letting this one here go up and let these two go down in value. And that's called pairing off risk management and directional price movements. Once again, I will feature Chipotle Mexican Grill outperforming the other big cap leaders that we like with high beta because it never participated with this group. It got slammed in the earnings and it's participating late. That is the wall of resistance. I did have a resistance level up here now. And now we're going to look how it trades on the reversal levels to support in the broader structure of its beginning secondary bull phase day. Follow through from Friday's price action right here on Chipotle Mexican Grill. And it's been nice to have this one going up with the robot and high frequency trading models, and these coming down from their overbought intraday processes. We're starting to see a little bit of both directional price movements and price volatility, as one should. Once again, this is the feature. This is the trade of the day right here. And it started last week when we started covering it a few weeks ago. It finally made that base. It finally got that big move that it was looking for on Friday. And I tell you what, there's the continuation. Chipotle Mexican Grill.